Hello everyone, you are watching Arogya Vidya, your guide to feel, heal and nourish. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. The most essential cooking ingredient is salt. But did you know that salt can be used to treat ailments as well? In today's video, I will tell you some simple yet little known uses of sea salt. Some of the following ingredients mention the use of saline solution or salt water. It is a natural antibacterial solution. To prepare a saline solution, mix 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a glass of water. Salt water increases flatulence, reduces food intake, increases bile, astringent taste and watery mouth, but eliminates intestinal obstruction. Without any delay, let's get started with the remedies. Number 1. Swollen eyes. Regularly rinse the eyes with saline solution. This reduces the swelling of eyes and the vision is clear. Number 2. Oral health. For gingivitis and bad breath, mix excess salt in water and gargle your mouth with this. This kills the bad bacteria in the mouth and throat. It also strengthens the gums and removes bad breath. Number 3. Aches and pains. For toothache, earache or even body aches, roast some salt, wrap it in a cloth and apply the fermentation on the sore or aching spot. Pour salt water generously over the sprains and swollen joints. This will give relief from the swelling and pain. Number 4. Cold and sore throat. Dissolving a little salt in hot water and pulling it through both nostrils will cure cold and running nose. This will also help prevent influenza. Gargling with warm salt water several times a day will cure a sore throat. It also clears hoarse voice related to sore throat and fever. Number 5. Stomach problems. Dissolving half teaspoon of salt in cold water and drinking it half an hour before breakfast will get rid of indigestion and bloating. Drink a glass of cold water with 1 teaspoon of salt for instant relief from stomachache. Taking a glass of lukewarm water with 1 teaspoon of salt relieves constipation and body aches. Put a little salt in your mouth. A lot of saliva will be produced in your mouth. Swallow the saliva along with the salt to relieve the heartburn associated with acidity. Number 6. Tridosha and digestion. Eat some sour curd mixed with salt at the end of the meal. This removes the 3 doshas, that is, the 3 humus from the food in your stomach and improves digestion. Number 7. Vomiting blood. Drink saline water to stop vomiting blood. If the vomiting doesn't stop after doing this, please consult a doctor immediately. Did you know that if you add salt to the cow's feed, the milk production will increase? Last but not the least, I will tell you some precautions that you must consider when taking salt. Avoid excess salt, particularly if you have hypertension, that is high BP, or if you are pregnant. Taking excess salt leads to water retention and other health problems. In general, avoid using excess or too little salt in your food, as both can harm your health. Use unadulterated salt for best results. Coarse sea salt is considered best. There is a proverb in Tamil, Uppilla Pandam Kuppaile, which means food without salt is fit to be thrown in the dustbin. Excess salt or no salt in food makes the food insipid and tasteless. That's all for today. Like and share the video with your loved ones if you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.